Hey guys, this is Saurabh Sangupta from the Technical ET, and today we are starting a new segment that is gadget updates. We are also starting another new segment from this week. You can check it out. It is accessory checkout. I'll put the link right over here. Okay, moving on. Today we are going to be talking about WhatsApp end-to-end encryption. So I woke up today morning and I saw WhatsApp has given a new update. When I updated my WhatsApp, there was a new feature that was a WhatsApp end-to-end encryption, and many people asked me the question what it is, and there were certain other questions too. So I thought, why not make a video about it? So this episode is all about that. So today we are going to be talking about 5 questions that you might just get about the WhatsApp end-to-end encryption. Now to start off with that, we'll at first talk about what does end-to-end encryption means. End-to-end encryption means that the encrypted codes will only be in the endpoints, that is your mobile phones or whatever device you are using WhatsApp in, which is obviously mobile phones. So that way, when you are using your updated WhatsApp, only your device will be able to decrypt the messages, and so if any cyber criminal or hacker intercepts your message and takes some out of it, then he or she will not be able to decode that. Hence your messages, even falls into the wrong hand, will be secure, and no other messenger services has this kind of feature just as of yet. The next question we'll talk about is how it works. Now WhatsApp end-to-end encryption, what it does, it gives you a common encryption key for both of your devices, and if suppose the text you are sending to your friend translates to binary into a book, then if somebody takes a page from that book, then he or she will be able to understand what your message was. So what end-to-end encryption does is jumbles up all the pages of your book, and the code, the encryption key that is only known to you and your friend, and hence if someone takes a page of the book, he will not be able to understand what the book means, because the pages are all jumbled up and only you and your friend knows the common key. The next question that we are going to be covering is this really safe? And to start off with that, I will first tell you that nothing in this world is 100% safe, and I can tell you that for sure. But this is quite up to some extent safe, because the code, that is the code in your device and your friend's device, so that for every chat you have a separate encryption key, and this encryption keys are going to be used to deduce the text that you are sending to your friend that is in the chat. So if nobody gets the encryption keys, these are quite safe. What happens in other messengers is that they use a common encryption key for encrypting all the things, that is all the text from all the users. So suppose I hack into my WhatsApp messenger and I find the encryption key, then I will be able to deduce the text from anybody's phone. But in case of, if you hack your phone and you find your encryption key, then you will be able to hack a particular text from you to your friend, which is of no use. So the best thing of this one is that if there is no public encryption key, so that there is no one key that is controlling everything. There is single individual keys for individual chats, and that is the reason this is a bit safer than what we have in the market today. There was someone who asked me this, that what if they change the number or phone? This is a very easy answer, because when you are using this encryption, end-to-end encryption, then what happens? Your device gets binded to another WhatsApp client. So what happens if you change your phone or your number? You get a new client, like the way you will do if you start installing WhatsApp right now. So if you install WhatsApp right now, you will get a new encryption key that will cover for each individual chats. So in the same way, if you get a new phone or a new number, you will get another new encryption key in order to connect to each and every one of them. So it will stay secure no matter what. And lastly, this is a quote from the WhatsApp founder Jean Koum, and in order to justify this quote, can we predict that WhatsApp is safe now and hence WhatsApp was not safe before? To answer that, I'll tell you immediately that, see, everything or every organization that handle huge amount of user data has always need to ensure some protocols in order to keep those data safe, because if anywhere the data leaks out, it is a bigger trouble for the company than you. So for that reason, WhatsApp was always safe. But this is a new era, a new level of safety for texts and messengers, in a way that is far more secure than what things were for WhatsApp. Because previously WhatsApp also used a common encryption key to to encrypt all data from all users. Now when WhatsApp is using individual keys for each chat, things have become much more safer. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. I had to do this video quite fast because I want to get it out there for you guys as soon as possible. And other than that, if you have something to say or if you want to make fun of my hairs, then you can put them in the comment below. I will be there in the next episode next week. Thank you and stay tuned.